Hi guys, welcome back. So happy Thanksgiving. I am going to be uploading this video pretty early in the day today, and I'm gonna do a get ready with me on like what I would wear for Thanksgiving, something super simple and easy if you like to get ready for the day, you know, if you're gonna do something, if you're gonna go somewhere. So the way I'm gonna do today's video, I think it's gonna be pretty cool. I haven't done it, I don't think I've ever done it like this. I'm just gonna tell you the color that I'm gonna be applying on my eyes or a foundation on my face. This is not a tutorial completely, like this is, you know, apply this, apply that, use this brush. No, use whatever you have, use whatever you want. High-end, drugstore, whatever. I'm just gonna tell you, you know, what color I'm wearing and all of that. But I don't know, maybe we'll all look pretty similar for that day. If you like the tutorial, of course, you don't know what it looks like yet until I'm done. Oh no, you could see it in the thumbnail, right? Yeah, so you saw it in the thumbnail, you could see how it looks. If you like it, then you know, you can get ready with me. We'll do it together. What I will do though is list everything in the description box in case you have any questions. Like, hey, I really like the shadow. You didn't say it in the video, but you can find it in the description box. So I'll still leave it there in case you're curious as to what exactly I am wearing. But I'm not, you'll probably see the product throughout the video, but I'm not really going to be like, apply this, use this palette, blah blah blah. You get the idea. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready, and if you want to look pretty similar, then just follow along. Just use whatever you want, whatever you have, and it'll work. So first thing, I am going to moisturize my face, and that is just something that I do before applying any makeup. The only thing that I already have on is of course my eyebrows, because that takes forever and I already always have that on. And I actually had another video scheduled for today, but I was like, no, I think I want to do something like this. It would be pretty cool, you know, to do, get ready with me pretty early in the morning and like schedule it to go live pretty early, because I have been pre-recording my videos, and so this one's gonna be ready. Next is of course primer, and I'm gonna apply this starting right here in the center of my face and just applying it everywhere. What I'm gonna do today, later on in a bit, once I finish this video, is I'm gonna apply my foundation next. Where's my sponge? Record my makeup collection video. I have had a little bit of requests, so I was like, I haven't done one in pretty much years. It's been a long time, and it's completely different, like completely different than my last one. So I haven't recorded it yet, but I am gonna do that right now, and then it's gonna go up this week. So be on the lookout for that if you're curious to see how I store everything, how I organize everything pretty much. Of course, you can also go fully extra glam, but sometimes, I think most of the time, like for Thanksgiving, I do something like super simple. Maybe I'll do like a little extra for like New Year or something like that, but not really. Now today I'm gonna do a full face of makeup, but it's just the eyes that are gonna be like super simple. So next is concealer. So yeah, I'm excited for the makeup collection video because I haven't done one in forever, and everything, like I said, has changed big time. I have everything pretty organized to where it's easy for me to grab and to find, and I have everything exactly how I've always wanted it to look, like exactly where I want it, exactly where I need it, and it's not like cluttered up or anything like that. So I'm excited to show you how I store everything. It's nothing completely different, like it's probably what everybody else has, probably what you have, but everything is like really neat to me. Like I can find everything and know where everything's at, everything's in like the order that I want it to be. So yeah, so now I'm just going to set my under eyes and set my face. And I'm just gonna use, I guess I'll just use my beauty blender for everything. And I'm just using a pressed powder for this. No baking or anything. Oh, I just broke it. It just came apart. Like, what the heck? Okay, at least the top part is still there, but well, thanks. It's all broken now. I don't know why. I didn't do anything. I don't remember dropping it either. I think I'm gonna apply just a tiny bit more on my cheeks so that way my my contour can really blend the way that it needs to. So next I'm gonna do a little bit of contour bronzer at the same time. And what I mean by that is I'm just gonna use this contour shade and just use it as a bronzer. I'm not gonna wear a separate bronzer with it. Pretty weird because usually I'm like, this is what I'm using, this is the brush. I hope you like it. I don't know, it's just something that came to mind. And also like not like super detailed with all these different steps, or you know, do this and do that. It's just easy. Next for blush nothing, I'm not gonna tell you. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my blush. It's just a pink one. That will pretty much go with everything. So next I'm gonna go ahead and apply my highlight. Just gonna use my finger for this. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on my brow bone. Now I'm just gonna take my sponge and go over that. Okay, so next is the eyeshadow, and I'm gonna apply a very light, I already got my brushes, a very light brown. Oh well, first let me set my, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. First I'm gonna set my concealer on my eyebrows, concealer on my eyelids. Then I'm going to take a light brown shade and just apply it in the crease area and just blend back and forth. It's also weird because most of the time I tell you the eyeshadow and I tell you, oh, this one blends really nicely and I haven't had a problem with it, or this one has been patchy or something like that. You know, right now it's just like crickets, you know, it's quiet. Alright, so I'm going to take a little bit of a darker brown. It's not super dark, but just a little bit, and I'm going to keep it right here in my crease. And I'm just using a regular blending brush for both of the shades. Same brush, different shades. I'll take a little bit more and bring it all the way into the inner corner. And I'm sure we all have, or most of us, I'm pretty sure we all have a dark brown, a light brown, so you can use anything at all. Now all I'm gonna take is a shimmery shade, just kind of like a, not a pearl shade, but like a nudish tone. I don't even know how to describe it. Like, if I could just tell you the name. No, I'm kidding. Kind of like a champagne. Yeah, like a pink champagne, pink brownish champagne shade. Just apply this all over the eyelid. And I'm not gonna apply any eyeliner or falsies because you know you're gonna go to sleep. No, I'm kidding. You're gonna go to sleep after you eat. And I'm gonna take my fluffy brush and just go over that, so that way they can blend together. And I'm gonna take a small little brush and apply the dark brown on my lower lash line. And my fluffy brush, my fluffy blending brush to blend that out. And then using the same brush, I'm gonna go over the crease area and just kind of combine the two, the lower lash line shade and the outer corner shade. Kind of connect them on the outer corner. Just on the low outer corner, not really going too high up. There we go, super simple. I think I'm almost done. Like, this is like super easy. This is one of the fastest tutorials I've done, I think. On my inner corner, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some highlight because I didn't do that. And I'm gonna use a brush this time, not my finger, because it's too small up in here. And it's the same highlight I used everywhere else. There you go, just like that. Let's apply a little bit more highlight. Because once I went over it with the Beauty Blender, it kind of blended it a little bit more, but I do want to have some glow. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes. Make sure that they're really curled because I'm not going to put any falsies on or anything. I'm just going to apply a bunch of layers of mascara. And like I said, apply a bunch of layers of mascara and really build up. Well, I'm going to really build it up because I want it to show up. Oh my gosh, I just poked my eye. Okay, it wasn't too bad. I can always clean that up on the bottom. It's because I'm trying to get really close to the root, because sometimes I leave that blank and it looks kind of like, what was I gonna say? I was gonna say weird and pale, like whale. I was gonna leave that, I leave that a little bit, I leave that without product sometimes and it looks weird. It just looks like something's missing, like I missed a whole line on the root. And of course you can always apply black eyeliner on the tight line on there, but I don't always do that. There we go. So now the last thing that I'm going to do is curl my eyelashes one more time. And you don't have to do that, but I mean, I like to do that because I feel like even though I wear some volumizing or lengthening mascara, sometimes my eyelashes stay kind of straight. So I just like to do one last curl after I'm done with the mascara. So you can pretty much apply any lipstick at all because everything pretty much matches it. I am going to wear bright red. I forgot to line my lips and that always makes it easier. And I'm using a liquid lipstick just because it lasts like pretty much a lot longer than a regular lipstick. Man, I can never see you whenever I'm doing my makeup in the viewfinder because it's like tiny and I'm blind. So this is the way I'll be looking on Thanksgiving. I love the way that this is. It's just something super simple and I love pairing it up with red because it makes it look like I tried or like I took a little bit longer with my makeup and like I really tried. It was so easy, so fast. I mean, the products were very minimal. It wasn't like, maybe the products weren't because I did a full face, but it was just like easy stuff, you know, pink blush, your foundation, your powder, highlight. I feel like it was just something super easy to follow along with. And then once you apply the highlight, I'm trying to say the highlight makes it look just a little bit like, you know, like you really did do a whole bunch of different things, which no, there wasn't much to it. It was super easy, super simple. I had already turned off the camera, but just in case you want to know, like I said, I will leave everything in the description box below of what I use. It's not like a secret. I just didn't want to include it. I don't want you to think that it's like a secret, like I don't want to tell you, but I just didn't want to include it so that way it can be super easy to follow along and it's just like whatever you already have, you know? So yes, you guys, that is everything for today. Again, thank you so much for watching and happy Thanksgiving. I will see you in my next video. Bye.